Hello everyone, my name is Syam Manoj Kumar and my institute roll number is 20 CES 10041 and I'm going to show how to create a G code in this video. Initially I have made a twisted vase using the FreeCAD software. Let's open it. So this is the twisted vase and the steps I have took to create this are here. Initially I have designed the sketch of the vase and I have created a base triangle. Actually I have made triangles at different portions using the sketches in the XY plane, and then I use the editable loft option to join these sketches using these surfaces, and then I add some thickness for this. So our final vase looks like this. So after saving this vase, I have used it to send to the 3D printing software. This is the CURA software, which shows us which gives a preview of how it will be printed. So here we could make the G code, which will be sent to the 3D printer to just print it. So let's open the twisted vase. Yes, and you can see here this is the vase, and we have to set some options here. The quality we will put it as it is. We will be selecting draft, and in fill I have made it to 20% because just to make it more time efficient. Okay, and then the speed I have limited the speed to 60 millimeters per second. And again, where are the temperatures? Yeah, this addition I have used the brim option to that means it's a good addition type. It would give a strong base at the bottom initially before making our material. Yeah, and the printing temperature I set it to 200 degrees and the build plate temperature at 60 degrees. So we have to slice it. Okay, so the time is showing 2 hours 39 minutes, which is pretty good in the 3D printing for our material. And if we look at the preview, that means how it would be printed, our material initially. So this is how it would be printed. Initially it would start from the bottom and it would go up like this printing. We can have a closer view. Yes, so this is the way the vase gets printed. We can look it in the top view as well. This is how from top to bottom it goes. So from here it starts and comes till the top, twisting. Yes, and this is how our final vase looks like after getting 3D printed. And as you can see over here, the bottom part is we have used the brim adhesion such that it gets a strong hold initially before directly starting the 3D printing. Thank you.